Day 8 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of year challenge, and today I'll be talking about how you can add a page to the menu of a website. So yesterday we talked about how you can import a template into a blank page, and today we'll be talking about how you can add a newly created page into the menu of a website. So what is a menu? Menu is the link or links of different pages on a website integrated into the home page of that same website. So what that means is this. Let me show you what it means in simple terms. What that means is that the other pages of that same website, for example, maybe the about us, the service page, the about me, the reviews and contacts page, these are pages. All right, so once you integrate them into the home page, they becomes a menu. All right, so these are menus. These are menus of the page of the website. All right, so if you want to add a new menu into the existing menu of the website, that is what I want to show us today. So let's get on to business. So the first thing you need to do once you log in into your dashboard, into your WordPress dashboard, is to come into appearance here, click on it, and then click on menus. So once you click on the appearance, then click on the menu option. So it brings up this page. So now you search for the page you want to add into the menu. These are the existing menu on the home page. So you search for the page you want to add to the menu, and then you click on the page. For me, I want to add the service page, which we imported a new template into yesterday. So let me add it, and then you click on add to menu. So you give it a minute to load up. So as you can see, the page is now here. We have service page existing already on the website, but this is service page, this is services, this is service page, which I imported a new template into yesterday. So we are going to save this and then go and check if the menu is now working, or if the menu is now integrated into the home page of the website. So one more thing before we go and check another thing we can do is we can decide to add the menu to different areas of the website. So the two areas I usually work with is the premium menu, which is on the header of the website, and also the footer menu, which is at the bottom of the website. So these are the two section I always work with. The rest are, you can forget about them. They are not so important. They are not important, not so important. They are not just important. So the premium menu or the footer menu. The premium is the header menu, and then the footer menu is the one below at the last section of the website. So let's go and check if the menu we added is now integrated into the home page of the website. So let's give it a minute to load up. So as you can see now, the service page is now here, so which means it has been integrated into the website, and then from here we can click on it and easily go to the service page which we created yesterday. So adding a menu to an existing menu dashboard is as easy as that. So thank you. This will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please don't forget to drop it at the comment section, and also if you find the video interesting, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.